We don't bother them, they don't bother us.
He's that little alligator. He's that little alligator. He's that little alligator.
Hey, son.
I thought it was like a blow up pump ball. Hey bud. What are you doing?
Do you mind no charge, ma'am?
Only if it's free.
Yeah.
Just eat them, dude.
He's the one you got for yourself.
What? She said fresh ones are on the bottom. Which ones are the freshest?
The ones at the bottom, right?
Were you just messing with me?
No. Hey, take a bite of these.
I've been biting.
I want this one. I've been biting them. Hey, could you throw these in the microwave, please?
Hey, can I buy some?
No. No, you can't buy some. I'm actually not kidding right now. Cole literally takes girls on dates and swoops with them while he goes buzzard while he's on a date with a girl.
Bring stuff back to the table. You want any of this? I'll buy them food and then I'll swoop for myself. Yeah. I swooped at Johto's, my favorite restaurant, the other night. That was awkward.
With a girl?
Yeah. I bought her sushi. I bought her sushi and went and swooped the hibachi girl.
Boom. Yeah. Secret handshake with random people.
This guy over here?
Yeah. While he's playing, if you had your dog come up and poop in his box instead of giving a tip. I think those are the funniest freaking, like the hardest I ever laugh is when people feel really weirded out by something that I'm saying. You're just like, what? Oh bro, you should let your dog poop in his box for a tip. That'd be cool, bro.
You know what I mean?
No, it's funny every
really
time.
It's really not funny at all.
It's really funny every
You've done that before?
Yes, I've done that
every
before.
day.
Paid $10 to put gas in my truck, and I forgot to put the gas in the truck. Drove over the bridge and almost got to where we ate, so I had to drive all the way back.
Nice.
I think your truck runs on hopes and dreams.
I think it really does. Gas aside.
And oil.
Gas and oil aside. I think your truck runs on hopes and dreams.
Liable to lose a finger in that pincher. My sense of humor is below average.
Yeah, it is.
How long have you been thinking of that one, Cole?
Shut the f*** up, bitch. This is all the
That was a couple miles back that
little brain's kicking off cobwebs.
you probably wrote that down like a couple weeks ago and been
like, there was right there. Nothing. Straps.
That's what you say to yourself in the shower. They'll think, wow, that was so fast, Cole. How'd you think of that?
Borderline genius.
Goodness, Cole, we underestimated you. That'll show them. They'll regret making fun of me. Good sugar grasshopper.
Choke. Hop in there.
Are you gonna eat them? Eat them.
Yes.
Find a caterpillar. Find a caterpillar.
By the cattle filter.
Find a caterpillar.
And what about, can I try a cheese stick?
I didn't cook that, so I didn't.
That was so funny.
Did I do good?
Yeah. Like him. He's like, guys, can you quiet down?
Sir, you want $1? Wait a second.
Sir, here's some money. Hold on. I'm on the phone. See, eating's fun. Choo choo. Yay! Choo choo, the train made it into your mouth. Like, no, dude, you're fine. You're burning up.
Dude, you're freaking on fire. Don't worry about it.
You're burning up. You're totally good.
Dude, your temperature's 105. You're fine. Like, mine's only 98. If anything, I gotta go. Thanks, sir.
Like it's coming out of your pay. You're hesitant to say yes because I buy you a donut and then I take out $10.
Dude,
I'm
I
buying
should have
lunch.
got that donut. Just answer me yes or no. Do you want a donut?
Does it come out of my pay? Do you want it or not? I asked Andrew if he wanted to have some ice cream. No, thank you. I've already had 3 tubs of pudding.
No, not tubs, cups.
I'm like, oh, okay, 3 cups of pudding. He's like, but don't worry, they were strawberry flavored.
No, it wasn't. No, it was chocolate flavored, but there's a strawberry on top.
He's like, don't worry, it was strawberry flavored, so it's healthy.
No, I mean,
Like, not even if there's a fruit, it's like if it's just a fruit flavor, it's like, no, we're good, dude. There's fruit flavoring it. I've been on a strict strawberry flavored snack diet.